Hello my dear friends, today we're going to make a toilet paper roll parrot. So the materials here, we will need a pair of scissors, glue, some construction paper in orange or other color, and of course toilet paper roll, and feathers, and a pair of googly eyes. And let's begin. First, we're gonna tap some glue onto the toilet paper roll. This exercise is really great for your fine motor skills and also your creative art skills to make your own parrots with feathers and googly eyes. And also is the idea of recycling your own toilet paper roll once you're done with it. So do not throw that away. The body of the parrot, which is done, and we can continue with the top of the head. And you just tap some glue inside it and tape it inside. There you go. Next, what we're missing, of course, is a pair of eyes. You got it. And what is that orange piece of construction paper for? Just cut out the corner, smaller pieces, smaller triangle, and that will be the nose. Just make sure when you use a pair of scissors, you ask for your parents' help or the family or an adult's assistance. So this is our finished feather parrot, and go ahead and create your own, and you can start walking on the wood just like what is, or jumping or hopping.